The clerk will ask.
So what is next? Court set a status conference for June 20th. The judge set a retrial for July 18th, and a new jury will be seated. And Jodi Arias will stay in the Maricopa County Jail.
Now, if County Attorney Bill Montgomery goes ahead and retries the penalty phase of this case, one of the biggest challenges, of course, will be finding a new impartial jury. And even if they do it, CBS 5's Jason Berry tells us there's no guarantee that we wouldn't end up with the same result.
Is this your true verdict, so say you want to know?
If the county attorney retries the penalty phase of the case, a new jury will have to be brought in.
What's the next step?
And Valley trial consultant Deborah Johnson tells us that won't be easy with so much media attention surrounding the case.
I don't know if you're going to find a jury that hasn't heard about the case. I think the question is how far on one side or the other are they? And can you find people who say and who legitimately believe that they can be neutral in this thing, that they could listen to the evidence and weigh it and make a good decision based on what they hear in the courtroom?
Johnson believes the court may have to search for jurors outside Maricopa County or possibly outside the state. But experts insist even if you find an impartial panel of jurors, there's still the problem of finding 12 people to agree on whether someone should or should not be put to death.
Well, the challenge you have is the jury's going to be told you're only deciding whether she lives or she dies, not whether she's guilty or innocent or whether it was heinous, cruel, or depraved. So think about that. I mean, this is for real. You will decide somebody's fate, and that's all you're here to decide. Very difficult.
It's also possible the county attorney could decide to pull the death penalty off the table and let the judge sentence Arias to life in prison and avoid having the case drag out even longer. Jason Berry, CBS 5 News.